Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to answer for class 10s. This is model paper published by Kseab. So now let us answer the part A physics first. So the first question of the model paper is the type of lens used to correct nearsightedness is convex lens, concave lens, bifocal lens, concavo-convex lens. So among these four options, the right option is sightedness means myopia. Myopia can be corrected by using concave lens. So for the first question, the right option is option B, that is concave lens. Now let us move for the second question. So the second question is the rule that helps to determine the direction of magnetic field around a current carrying straight conductor is right hand thumb rule, Fleming's right hand rule, law of magnetic poles, Fleming's left hand rule. Among these four options, the right option is option A, that is option A, right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Now let us move for the third question. The third question is the color of the sky from the surface on the moon appeared as blue, violet, black, red. So among these four options, the right option is option that is C, black. So let us move for the fourth question. Resistors of resistance 100 ohm are connected in parallel in an electric circuit, then the number of resistors have to be connected to obtain 25 ohm as equivalent resistance 10, 5, 44. So among these four options, number of resistor required is equal to the resistance of one resistor is 100, total equivalent resistance is 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 4 resistors are required. So option D, 4 is the right answer. Now let us move for question number 5. So question number 5 is second main. That is it possible to connect a refrigerator rated 1200 and 1320 watt to a domestic circuit of 220 volt with an electric fuse rate 5 ampere? Clarify the reason for your answer. So for this question, our answer is no. It is not possible to connect. No, it is not possible to connect. ಸೊ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಪವರು 1320 ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸು. ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ 1000 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಬೈ ವಿ, that is equal to 1320 divided by 220. So 2 11s are 22 ones are 22 6. So I is equal to 6 ampere ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ since heavy current flows or heavy or excess current flows, since heavy or excess current flows, fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit. So this is answer for fifth one. Now let us move for the sixth one. What is the function of the mirror used in solar cooker? So in solar cooker we are using concave mirror. What is the function of the concave mirror? So sixth one, what is the function of the concave mirror? It reflects the sunlight. It reflects the sunlight into the cooker. Now let us move for third main, that is seventh question. So seventh question is Draw the diagram of a simple motor, electric motor, and label split ring. So diagram of motor and slip ring. Mentioning there are labeling split ring, not slip ring, split ring. So it is a diagram question, that is motor diagram. Now let us move for the eighth question. So eighth question they have given, that is biogas is an excellent fuel. How? For that one internal choice question. Mention the advantage and limitations of wind energy. So now first let us answer, that is what are the why biogas is an excellent fuel. How? So first question, it is an excellent fuel. It is an excellent fuel. It burns without smoke. Second one, it has high calorific value. It has high calorific value. Then it has high calorific value. Then it is eco-friendly. Then it is a renewable source of energy. It is a renewable source of energy. In that one only one more internal choice question is there, that is what are the advantages and disadvantages of using wind energy. So now let us answer. First let us write the advantages of using wind energy. So what are the advantages? The first advantage is it is eco-friendly. First point. Second one, it is renewable source of energy. It is renewable source of energy. Then it requires no recurring expenses. Then the fourth point, it requires no recurring expenses for the production of electricity. So let us list the limitations of using wind energy. First limitation is wind speed should be higher than 15 km/h. Second one, construction of wind energy farm takes large area and expense. Third point, high maintenance cost. Then initial cost is more. It can be installed in all the places. Sorry, it can't be installed, not can be, it can't be installed in all the places. So these are the disadvantages of using wind energy. Now let us move for the ninth question. Earthing of the electrical instruments having metallic surface is must. How is this measure be justified? So now let us answer this question. So this is question number 9. That is, it must have metallic surface. It must have a metallic surface, especially of copper, because copper is a good conductor. Copper is a good conductor. It provides a low resistance. It provides a low resistance conducting path. Low resistance conducting path for the current. When there is any leakage of current, through earth wire, the leakage through earth wire, the leakage current pass through earthing wire deep into the earth through metallic surface. By this it avoids electric shock. By this it avoids electric shock. Therefore, every metallic body appliances should be connected to the earth wire. Now let us move for question number, in that one only one more internal choice question is there. So let us answer that internal choice question. That is, which measures have to be taken to avoid the overload in domestic electric circuits? So how to avoid overloading? So the first point to avoid overloading is avoid connecting too many appliances to a single socket. Then the second one, replace the damaged insulated wire to avoid neutral wire comes in contact with live wire. Then replace the faulty appliances. Replace the faulty appliances. Then the fourth point is by connecting fuse to avoid overloading. So these are the 4 points that we can write to which is used to avoid overloading. Now let us move for question number question number 10. So question number 10 is draw the ray diagram for the image formation in a convex lens when the object is placed between f1 and 2f1. Mention the position and the nature of the image formed with the help of a ray diagram. So now let us draw the ray diagram for this one. So this is question number 10. So this is a convex lens. This is called as principal axis. This is optic center. This is f1. This is 2f1. This is f2 and 2f2. Now the object is kept between f1 and 2f1. So AB is the object. The light ray which is parallel to principal axis, after refraction it passes through principal focus. The light ray which passes through optic center will move in a straight path. So where the two rays they meet, there the image is formed. Therefore the image here B dash A dash. So here the image is formed. So position, the image is formed. Behind 2f2. Then what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is real and inverted. Now let us move for the question number 11. So the question number 11 is given as explain the following natural phenomena: twinkling of star and rainbow formation. Let us answer both the questions now. So first one is twinkling of star. So twinkling of stars. So when a light coming from a star enters the Earth's atmosphere, it undergoes atmospheric refraction on account of varying refractive index of air at different points. This continuously changing atmosphere refracts the light from a star. Light from a star appears to be twinkle. So now let us move out the rainbow formation. So let us move for how the rainbow formation will take place. When rain comes, it is formed when one side is cloudy and other side sunlight. Water droplets in the atmosphere acts as a prism. When sunlight falls on it, undergoes refraction and then internal reflection takes place due to refraction again. 7 colors are observed by our eye called rainbow. So for this question, for the question number 11, again one internal choice question is there. So let us answer that internal choice question. That is internal choice question is, how does the high lens accommodate to see the nearby object and distant object? Explain. Then the overhead sun at noon appears as white. What is the reason for this? So let us answer both the questions. So first let us answer when our eye see far object. When our eye is observing the far object, when our eyes sees far object, ciliary muscles starts to relax. Ciliary muscle starts to relax and eye lens becomes thin. By this, eye lens become thin. By this, focal length increases and image forms on the retina. This is for far object. Now let us move for the near object. So when our eyes sees near object, ciliary muscles starts to contract starts to contract and eye lens becomes thick. By this focal length decreases. And image forms on the retina. Then one more question is there, that is the overhead sun at noon, it appears white. Why? What is the reason for this? So B question, during noon the distance between sun and the earth will be less. The water droplets or dust in the atmosphere have bigger size so that it scatters light of all wavelength. Therefore, at noon, sun appears white. So this is for 11th one internal choice question. Now let us move for question number let us answer the question number 12. So 12th A, what is reflection of light? State the two laws of reflection. Then define the following terms related to spherical mirror, aperture and pole of the mirror. So now let us answer both the questions now. So first question is, what is reflection? The phenomenon of bouncing back of light is called as reflection. Then the first law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. Now let us move for the next question. So first law over, let us move for the second law. So first law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now second law, the incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie on the same plane. Next, let us move for next, define the following. In that one, the first one is aperture. So first one is aperture. So aperture is defined as the diameter of a part of a spherical mirror. The diameter of a part of spherical mirror is called as aperture. In that one, second one is there, pole of the mirror. Pole of the mirror. The center of the mirror is called pole of the mirror. So in physics part, the last question of the physics part is, state Joule's law of heating effect. How does a bulb work based on this law? Explain. What is electric potential difference? Name the instrument used to measure the potential difference. How is this instrument be connected in an electric circuit? So first, Joule's law. So this is question number 13. This is sixth main, question number 13. In that one, A, Joule's law. So what does the Joule's law states that? So it states that heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current resistance and the time which current flows. So H is equal to I square RT. So in that one only, how does the bulb work out based on this anta ide. So idanna ನಾವು ಈಗ explain ಮಾಡೋಣ. So whenever a current flows through the bulb, the tungsten of the bulb has high resistivity and high MP and high melting point, starts to heat and emits light. In that one only, one more question is there. What is electric potential difference? So name the instrument and how it is connected. So what is big question, what is electric potential difference? The amount of work done to bring a coulomb of charge from one point to another is called electric potential difference. Voltmeter is used to measure PD, potential difference. Voltmeter is connected in parallel. So by this we have answered all the questions related to physics part. In the next video we are going to answer for the chemistry part. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks for everyone for your great supporting my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much.